The latest Federal Reserve decision comes out on Wednesday evening at 7 p.m. UK time, and the press conference will be shortly after at 7:30. The current Fed funds target range is 3.75 to 4% after two 25 basis point cuts earlier this year. Now, going into Wednesday, the market puts an 87% chance of a further 25 basis point interest rate cut. If they left it on hold, this would be a big surprise and risk assets may react negatively. First, the statement: do they lean into softer growth, the slowing jobs market, and moderating inflation? Secondly, the dot plot. Now, markets have got another 50 to 75 basis points of cuts priced in to 2026. If the median dots sit above that path, there's room for a hawkish repricing in the markets. Third, Jerome Powell's tone. A cut but cautious press conference probably means lower front-end yields, a slightly softer dollar, and a supportive backdrop for growth equities and cryptocurrency. A harder pushback stressing upside inflation risks and the option to pause again may hit the long duration trade and leave risk assets vulnerable into the close. So the bottom line is this meeting is less about the cut itself, much more about how the Fed see the 2026 easing story and is it likely to endorse it. Now that will be hard with such a vacuum of up-to-date economic data. A reminder, the non-farm payrolls actually come out 10 days later than they're meant to, not until next Tuesday. So the Fed will not have the privilege of seeing that before they go into this meeting.